Hi, I'm Sean Jacob,
Hi, I'm Satlaj.
and welcome back to our channel,
Tutor my
Tutor My
English.
English. Now, let's continue with our next session on parts of speech.
So today we'll be learning more about prepositions, adjectives.
Conjunctions and interjections.
So let's begin. Adjectives are the words that are used to describe or provide more information about a sentence. Some examples of adjectives include good, ugly, quick, beautiful, late, etc. Let's say some examples used in a sentence. Look at the big tree. The weather is pleasant today. Let's go to prepositions. Prepositions are the words that are used to show relationship of a noun or a pronoun with other words in the sentence. Some examples of prepositions can be in, out, besides, in front of, below, opposite, etc. Examples of prepositions used in a sentence. The child hid his birthday present under his bed. Mom asked me to go to the store near my school.
Conjunctions are a part of speech that is used to join two different parts of a sentence. Some examples of conjunctions are and, or, for, because, etc. Some examples of conjunctions used in a sentence. I am happy because you came to my birthday party. Jane did not go to work as she was sick. Next topic is interjections. Interjections are words that are used to show strong emotions or feelings. Some examples of interjections are oh, wow, yuppie, etc. Plus point, it is always followed by an exclamation mark. Here are some examples of interjections. Wow, what a wonderful work of art. Oh, that's really sad. Yuppie, we won the match.
This was our session on parts of speech. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will always try to bring in sessions with easy learning. In the meantime, if you want us to discuss some more topics, please mention it in the comment section below. Happy learning!